They say that sometimes love starts with a spark, and that might be true, but if I were to wish you a love, I wouldn't wish fire for you. You see, fire is powerful, it burns bright and then it's gone. It's beautiful, warm, and it doesn't last long. So instead of wishing you a love that burns, I wish you love like a river twists and turns. It changes and it flows, it is powerful and free, but it consistently finds its way back to the sea. And so like the water, I hope your love is ever growing and ever changing. I hope your love is powerful and free. And may you always find each other like a river finds the sea.
Oh, sweetheart.
You're gonna make me cry.
I, Kingsley,
Take you, Sian,
take you, Sian,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
In sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part.
till death us do part.
They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife. A kiss, please. Come on, come on.
From when we first met in the town about 7 years ago, I would have never believed I'd be marrying you on this gorgeous day. I can't express how grateful I am for everything you have done for me since you came into my life. You're my best friend, my soulmate, and I can't express how much I love you and how exciting our future lives are going to be together.
Ever since Sian and Kingsley have been together, there's only been one person wearing the trousers, and they definitely won't fit you, Kinga. I've known Kingsley a number of years, and in that time I've seen him do a lot of things which he probably shouldn't have, but marrying you, Sian, is by far his greatest achievement.